Why do 99% of people never reach their dreams? Why do they start strong but quit halfway? Imagine waking up in your dream house, driving your dream car, and having financial freedom to travel anywhere in the world. Now imagine being in the best shape of your life, full of energy, confidence, and strength. Sounds incredible, right? But here's the harsh truth. Most people will never get there. Why? Because success is not about luck. It's about mindset, habits, and discipline. But today, I'll show you how you can become the 1% winner. And I'll give you a small challenge for each step so you can start today. Let's begin. 99% of people say, I don't have time. I don't have money. It's too hard. They blame their job. They blame their past. They blame others. But the 1% take full responsibility. They say, if I don't have time, I'll wake up earlier. If I don't have skills, I'll learn. If I don't have money, I'll find a way to earn. Challenge number 1. Write down one excuse you've been using. Replace it with an action plan. 99% of people start strong, but then quit when it gets tough. The 1%, they stay disciplined even when motivation fades. Motivation is temporary. Discipline is forever. Challenge number 2. Choose one habit you want to build. Do it for the next 7 days, no matter what. The 99% say, I don't have time, while spending hours on Netflix and TikTok. The 1%, they protect their time like gold. They wake up early. They prioritize important tasks. They say no to distractions. Challenge number 3, track your screen time today. Reduce it by 30 minutes and use that time to learn something new. 99% of people fear failure and never start. The 1%, they know that failure is the path to success. Every setback is a lesson. Every mistake is progress. Challenge number 4, write down one fear that's stopping you. Take one small action to face it today. 99% of people just dream, but never act. The 1%, they take massive action. They write their goals. They take risks. They never wait for the perfect time. They start now. Challenge. Chapter 5. Set a 24-hour deadline. Take action on one goal, big or small, just start. You now know the difference between the 99% and the 1%. Will you keep making excuses, or will you take action? Your dreams won't wait. Your future won't wait, so why should you? Comment your number 1 goal below and start today. Subscribe for more motivation and transformation. Like this video if you're ready to be the 1%.